Here's a little later model sports car at Unique Specialty and Classics. 2014 Audi TTS Coupe. This particular car, two-owner vehicle, a little over 40,000 miles on, 41,229 I believe it was. Of course, this would be a Quattro. Now, as far as color, I'm not real familiar with the Audi color codes, but what I would consider this is like a black pearl or a deep black metallic. It's not a flat gloss black because it does have, as you can see, kind of a metallic to it. I know Audi has like an oolong gray too metallic, but just want to let you know. So it's a deep, either ebony metallic, dark charcoal metallic, but just want to let you know about that. Hey, if you know where the color codes are, you want to know exactly what it is, just give us a call, talk to one of the sales reps, be happy to help you out. So, two-owner car, again, a little over 41,000 miles. It's powered by a 2-liter, 265 horse, 258 feet-pound of torque. Actually does a top speed of 155 miles an hour. Let you take a good look at the front fascia so you can see the grill insert, headlights. Now, as far as the paint condition on this, it is nice shape. You will find a few spots where a previous owner may have got a little bit of a rock chip, has touched it up, but overall paint shows very well. Nice reflection coming off of it. Nice luster to the paint, riding on the stock wheels. Now, that 2-liter is paired up with a 6-speed Tiptronic auto transmission. Of course, these were a bucket seat up front. Center console, do have a rear seat, and then an actual whole hatch that will flip up back here. So there's quite a bit of storage space, and you can see the still pictures, so you can check out that storage where the spare tire is at, and that can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us to 507-386-1726. See up and down the passenger side, not full of nicks, dings, or scratches. Of course, it does have the automatic deploying wing back here, which would be coming out of this spot right here. And that would actually deploy at 75 miles an hour and then retract back at 60 miles per hour. It is also manual, so you can do it if you'd like to manually also. Of course, dual exhaust on these. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult your sales associate when you call in or email about that extended service contract. It does come with the rubber floor mats also. There's cloth ones in it right now. Those I'll put back in the trunk, and the car will sit in our indoor showroom until its next owner comes along. I'd like to enjoy it. Once again, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Some of the standard features on this vehicle, actually, some kind of cool ones. Actually, has heated windshield washer nozzles. Of course, tuned suspension. Also has a rain and light sensors. So basically, automatic sensors for the headlights and the wipers. Some nice features. A little bit of a touch-up spot right here, FYI. So you can tell the car has definitely been well taken care of. All right, let's go ahead and fire this up. I want to let you hear it run. We'll check out that engine bay. First off, check out the door panels. Of course, your power windows, locks, mirrors, Bose system. Also has your release for your trunk and your gas door in the door there. Power seats, both sides. There's your exact miles also, 41,229. The key in here a second. All right, now you'd have a navigation system, stereo. Whoops, wrong one. There we go, turn that down. Of course, AC blows cold. You do have your automatic climate control down here. Tiptronic shifter. Check out the dash. No cracks, no weather checking, all good there. And then you can also see the only light on, just because I don't have my seatbelt on. Other than that, no warning indicators, no engine lights, anything like that. We'll check out these seats a little closer too. Show you those are also in nice shape. All right, so as you can see, leather is barely worn on these. Just your typical, how you'll get real leather to get a little just wrinkle to it as it wears naturally. So interior, nice shape. No smoke odor or anything like that, nice and clean. Slip around to the back, it's gonna sound like you'd expect. No crazy exhaust, really anything aftermarket that I have noticed. All right, I'm gonna slip up to the front. Let's pause this a second. Let's pop the hood and check out that engine bay.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, be able to take a look under here, see how clean this is. Does not appear that this thing's been driven in any sort of inclement weather at all. Again, 2-liter TFSI engine. Uh, 260 horse, 258 pound-feet of torque. But nice and clean and tidy. Again, you can tell this car is well taken care of. So there you go, looking for a late model sports car, 2014 Audi TTS Coupe. 2-owner car, a little over 40,000 miles. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.